We go to other news now. What happened to my money? The question being asked by pensioners today following a delay in payments for June. The retired citizens showed up at the Accountant General's Department today for answers. Romardo Lyons has their story.
Scores of senior citizens gathered Monday outside the Accountant General's Department, the nation's treasury. Minutes turned into half an hour, and very soon turned into hours. Pensioners who haven't received their payments for June here to and from the building, only to be told payment pending. This man says he checked his bank on the date he'd usually get his payments monthly. But this month, there was an unpleasant surprise.
Every month my pension comes to the bank. And I went to the bank from the 25th, and up to now I don't see any money.
5 days later, he tried another option.
So I went to Ministry of Finance, and then sent me up here, so I must go up here and investigate, I don't know.
His investigations haven't been fruitful, and so he's left feeling cheated.
We kind of want some money, so you don't get your pension, like when you work a week time or a month and you don't get to pay. It make you feel away. It make you feel down.
This man was represented by his daughter. She says his pension life certificate was sent in. Pensioners are required to submit the certificate once every quarter. It's an official document used to verify that the pensioner is still alive and therefore eligible to receive a pension from the government. The woman says, like previous months, all boxes were checked on her father's part. However, she's particularly disgruntled by the lack of communication.
He's not the only pensioner who did not receive for the month of June. And I've been here before 8:30. And I've been inside disgruntled. And up until now, a manager, no one has come out to say, Miss, what's the noise? What's the uproar? Up until now. Who is out here? Who is looking after the pensioner? They have worked already. Yes. They have worked already. So the money's supposed to be there.
She said eventually it was communicated that the payment for June will be issued in July.
Can they go to JPS, NWC? Can they go to the clinic, the private doctor, to say, Doctor, JPS, I don't have money? No. Can you wait until July when AGD release my money? No. They have worked all their years. I work with the Minister of Education. I am a teacher. I did my master's degree and all I got was $6,000. And when I came here and see the situation inside, with these older folks inside, how many of them have a daughter like me or somebody who was youthful like me to speak up on their behalf? If I didn't walk with a sandwich this morning for my father, you have persons in there who are diabetic, hypertensive, nobody's walking around with a cup of tea or something, and he's sitting down gonna wait until July month end to wait on something that he already worked for, put in the work for. This is crazy.
Another woman representing her grandmother was in the same boat.
They're saying they can't find the life certificate and she has to wait until the end of July in order to receive it. And she's here alive and they're saying that they still can't.
So they were the ones who misplaced the life certificate?
Yes, because she submitted it and they're saying they're not seeing it.
All in all, the experience is like a depressing foreshadowing.
When I went inside here, I'm saying, my God, this is what, when I retire, this is what I'm going to be going through.
Romardo Lyons, TVJ News.